Lingaw siya, lingaw. Lingaw yung reload. Kapo kayo, ikaw natay makuha.
Kailan din siya ikaw juga sa iyang about topic. Makarelate yun.
Maka-learn ka daghan. I learned a lot since the first time I invite to Sir Jasper, and it led me to be a better person because basta I want to junior to him because of my past.
Bye ba mo? Nani mo get reload? Very good.
Very worth it. Very worth it. Kapag ato nila kay, I really had a fun time with the Lord.
First time. It was good, great, and then na-touch ko to. Okay siya, worth the one time, and thank you for welcoming me.
It's amazing na there are actually people who concern him for you. Kasi now you have less concern for yourself in terms of spirituality.
Salamat kay Mikay, nakapil ni karon diari gamit sila nga instrument sa mga nakahawas din sa kibante.
It's actually my second time, G-South first, pero mas mapil na ko ang solemnity sa youth reload sa church. Enjoy kayo kay Brad, nakarelate mo doon sa karon, tapos great time to spend with the Lord. For more of your presence, for more of your word.
So, experience ka na mga MC?
Lami ka.
Cool ba kayo at first, pero next lang. Enjoy mo po.
Isa yung naratol sa inyong doha.
Naratol. Kami to
That's all for the glory of God.
Yes.
Amen. Thank you.
Okay, labis kayo eh. Malipayon kayo sa naman. Enjoy kayo. Murray makalabaw sa enjoy dali kay ata sa palay sa